hao, ni hao ma, what is up, what's up? It's JeanitaMarieBlue reminding you to be blessed, to be beautiful, and most importantly, be you, love. Always be yourself. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to easily and quickly install an everyday wig. We're not going to be using any ball caps. We're not going to be sewing anything down. We're not going to be using any adhesive glue. And as you can see, this unit is nice and snug on my hair, and it is not going anywhere. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, love, so we are going to be working with a unit from Elighty.com. The unit that I have today, it is a straight unit. I typically don't get straight hair, but you know, I'm trying it out. I want it to look realistic. So as you can see, this wig is made beautifully. We have the adjustable straps in the back, a lot of lace to work with, and I think we're going to have a lot of fun with her. Next, I got some flat irons, and I've never had these sort of flat irons before. They're steam flat irons, so I'm interested to try it out. As you can see, natural hair popping. I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to apply my wig cap to my hair, one that matches my complexion, is the closest to my complexion. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut off the back of the lace. Guys, this is a 360 wig, and so I just feel like the lace on the back isn't 100% necessary for me, so I just cut it off to see what I'm truly working with. So as you can see, I applied the wig, and off rip, I'm really just loving the hairline, seeing what I'm working with, seeing what I'm going to do first. And I'm just going to part it like what feel. Like you want to get a feel like, am I trying to do a middle part? Am I trying to do a side part? Really get an understanding of like what you're going to do. So now I'm just going to go ahead, cut off the lace in the front because we don't need it. Plop that baby back on your head and adjust it to see where you want it. Now I'm going in with the handy dandy water, guys. Water, L-O-V-E-U. Water loves you. Forgot the S. But I'm just going to go ahead and brush down where I put the water. I'm really doing this because it relaxes the hair and it allows me to go ahead and tweeze my part, and I can have a good vision of where I am tweezing, make sure I'm not tweezing too much. And this is very, very simple, guys. I'm literally only tweezing my part, and as you can see the power in that, as you can see, this is the before and this is the after, and just by tweezing the part, it made a huge difference. Now I'm going to go in with these flat irons. I also got these from Elighty.com. They're steamable, so I'm going to just add some water into the base. It came with an instruction manual. Pop the bag back on, and now I'm ready. This is like, listen for it. Oh, I just love this sound. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and press her out using these flat irons, about 1 1/4 inch. And this is what she is looking like afterwards, but I just feel like I wanted to look more realistic. So this is my secret, guys. Be sure to go ahead and subscribe. This is my secret. I'm going in and I'm actually flat ironing the base. Okay, so as you can see, I'm flat ironing where my part is because I want that area to be extremely, extremely flat. And this is what the wig is looking like after she is flat ironed, and it looks pretty realistic to me. Like I really really did enjoy how it came out. So wait, boom, do you see this? Come on, this is not the same wig from the beginning, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna add some of this got to be glue. You can add any gel you like. I'm just doing this because I don't want my lace to lift up at all. And this is a part where you can go ahead, if you're into baby hairs, add some baby hairs. But this is like that extra little thing that you can do to go ahead. As you can see, I add a little bit of the gel and I rub the excess on my flyaways just because I had a few of those little guys poking up and I did not like it. Going in with my handy dandy bandana. This is actually a soft scarf. I'm going ahead and tie that on my hair for about 3 to 5 minutes, not too long. When you take it off, this is your result. Yes, guys, beautiful. And since this did look more similar to my hair, I decided to the end as if this was wrap. Okay, and guys, be sure to go ahead and follow me on the gram if you haven't already. Okay, guys, so as you can see, this hair looks really nice. In my opinion, it's giving the illusion that I have my natural hair flat iron and I have a wrap going in my hair right now. This unit is not thick at all. This is a very thin unit. But what I like about the unit is that it looks realistic in my opinion. The fact that I carved out my part, I feel like whatever part that you have, you can put it anyway. and it's super duper affordable. It's only $100, so I think for the money it's very good, like everyday wig. This wig is from Elighty.com, and of course I'll put the link to this unit down below. And if you guys have any questions, be sure to ask me. I have so many tutorials, so many wig videos. Be sure that you go and check those out. And of course, thank you for watching. Be sure to smash that subscribe button, hit that like, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. My name is JeanitaBlue. Always remember to be blessed, be beautiful, love, and most importantly, be you. Always be yourself. See you next time. Mwah. Ciao.